we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Nuynix Jump Starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features. Powerful 3000 amp peak jump starter. Instantly revive dead 12-volt batteries with a massive 3000 amp peak current. Designed for heavy-duty performance, it can jumpstart engines up to 9.0 L gas and 7.0 L diesel with ease. Even if your battery voltage is extremely low, the dedicated boost function ensures a forceful start every time. Perfect for cars, SUVs, trucks, and motorcycles. 150 psi smart tire inflator with Auto-Shutoff. Equipped with a high-pressure 150 psi air compressor, this jump box can inflate a typical car tire in minutes. Featuring an intelligent LED screen that detects real-time tire pressure, you can preset the desired level and the device will automatically shut off once reached. Includes 5 preset modes, car, bike, ball, and more, and multiple nozzles for all your inflation needs. Ultra-safe battery management system or BMS, safety is our priority. Nuynix features an upgraded smart protection suite providing 10 key protections, including spark-proof technology, reverse polarity, overcurrent, and high-temperature protection. The heavy-duty intelligent clamps are designed to provide a foolproof connection, making it safe and easy for anyone to use in any emergency. More than just a jump starter, it's a high-capacity 10,000 mAh power bank to fast-charge your smartphones and tablets via USB ports. The integrated ultra-bright LED flashlight offers multiple modes, steady, strobe, and SOS, providing essential visibility for nighttime roadside repairs or signaling for help in the dark. Engineered with high-discharge lithium technology, this 10,000 mAh unit is compact enough to fit in your glove box without sacrificing power. It is built to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your vehicle starts even in the harshest winter or scorching summer. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.